Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's start with some cards and see what we get. Flow. The more you resist the current of change, the harder the current pushes. If you hold on to the grass on the side of the river, not wanting to move, you'll be battered by the strong current. If you float in the middle of the river, the current is gentle and you float easily downstream. Aim for the path of least resistance and go with the flow. Boundless possibilities. Unleash your potential and seize the boundless possibilities of your journey. Flourishing not. Discover the mysteries of life, finding wisdom in its intricate beauty. Asking for help is a sign of loving advocacy. Has there been something that you need to advocate for yourself? Maybe it's time to speak up. Do a search on ways to help you speak up in difficult situations and ask for your needs to be met. It's so brave of me to exist. And the last card today before we go to our little messages. Diamond Heart. I am worthy. My life is valuable beyond measure. I invite blessings to flow into my day. My diamond heart is deserving of all good things. Every person you know is so unique. Expecting them to think or act as you would does a disservice to the beautiful or the beauty of who they are. Yes, yes. The people who are meant to be in your life are the ones who know how to gently wait for you to heal. Stop saying yes when you want to say no. Stop postponing what is important to you. Go within. You are a very intuitive person, and there are many wonderful insights that lie waiting inside you. Take time to be quiet and reflect upon your desires of your heart and be patient with yourself. Stop wasting your time and energy on things you can't control, like other people's moods, opinions, or actions, and focus on one thing you can control: you. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.